Diabetes Digital Coach is a program. At the moment it's a project. It's about making it easier for people with diabetes to self-manage their condition. So we've brought together some key partners who've got tools for self-management of diabetes, and we're seeing how they work together and how they then get used within a health service setting, how citizens themselves want to use it, so that they can improve their health and keep themselves healthier for longer. We know across our patch, which is the west of England, that we've got 120,000 people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes, or type 1 or type 2 diabetes, and we want to actually work with about 10% of those. So we're looking to recruit 12,000 people.
Diabetes is the leading cause of many health issues, and we know that if you manage those, your risk of complications are less. So there's two aspects. One is quality of life, and the other one is NHS spending on health. I've lived with type 1 for 55 years, since 1961. It involves making decisions daily about your food you take, the amount of insulin you inject, balancing with the exercise. You aim to keep your blood glucose levels within a range that's set between yourself and in my case, my consultant. So it's like walking a tightrope. So you're constantly juggling between blood tests, insulin injections, and making these decisions about how much you need.
So we've talked a lot to people with diabetes, and in fact they've helped us sort of shape this vision. Digital is the right word because we've got a number of platform developers who we're working with who've got apps, who already got these products on the market, and we're getting them to work together and begin to use that data and bring in data from other sensors and wearables and see how we can feed that back in real time to people with diabetes, and also, if it's appropriate, to healthcare professionals as well. From a user's perspective, you will initially be using an app that helps you to track and manage your condition. You've then got control of where you send that data, so you can look at it yourself, you can pick up some of the trends yourself, you can share that information.
But the potential for that to have your data go to, in my case, my consultant, who can see it on the screen, or can either email me if she can spot a pattern or something. That is really exciting, and that's what this programme is aiming to do.
These new services, this new way of working is going to mean that we can deliver what we need to do in a more efficient way. It's the sort of model that we can extend to other long-term conditions, so we see that being quite big.
The aim would be that people will be self-managing, living normal lives, understanding their condition, and hopefully 5-10 years down the line they'll still be fit and healthy without having to go blind or losing a limb or something. So it's a huge challenge, but one I think that's quite exciting.